Hello YouTubers, I'm Parviz and this is our 21st video in Pyside2 GUI Development. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can just create a cute text edit like this, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a print preview dialog in Pyside2. So the first thing I need, I'm going to just copy my code from the previous video, and if you want this code you can just check the video description, or you can just check the video for this, or you can grab this code from my website. I have added the link to the video description. So now let me just paste it in here. I've created a new file, and if you see this is just some imports that I have imported. I have a class window and that extends from QMain window, and this is my window title and geometry. This was from the previous video that we have created our QText edit. And these are the two methods for our icon and also create menu, and this is for showing of our window that we have used this, and this is for setting of our icon, and also this is for the create menu. We have some menu in here: file, view, edit, font, help, and also we have some menu items like open, save, and exit, and these menu items are related to the file menu that we have already added, file menu.add action. So for more information you can just watch the previous video, or you can, if you want the source code, you can just check the video description. You can grab all the source code of this video. Now for creating of print preview dialog, so the first thing we need to import, so from Pyside2 we need to import some classes from the QPrint support. So the first one is QPrinter, and also we need a QPrintPreviewDialog. Now after this we need to create a menu item for this, and I want to add this menu item in my view menu. So if you see, let me just run this. Let me just show you. Okay, now here in the file we have some menu items. Now in the view I want to add the print preview in here. So for this, the first thing we need to create this like we have created our for our open, save, and exit action. So in here I'm going to just call it preview action, and this is, I'm going to take Q action, and I want to add a Q icon for this. Okay, so now I've already copied an icon in my working directory, so you need to just copy an icon where you have created your Python file. Now I have already added, and let me just write the name in here. It's print preview.png, and now this is the name. After this I'm going to just say print preview, and this is the parent we need to give this in here. Okay, now after this I do need to add a shortcut in here, as I have created the shortcuts for my save and also exit. But for preview, let me just make the spelling correct. But for the preview I'm not going to add a shortcut. So after creating of this, if you run, you'll not see this, because after creating of your menu items you need to add this in your menu, in your main menu. For example, I want to add this preview action in my view menu, so I am going to just copy this view menu, and in here, so these are for adding of our menu items to our file menu. We have added open action, save action, and exit action to our file menu. Now for preview I'm going to just add that in my view menu, so you can simply say add action, and in here you can add your preview action like this. Now if you run this, okay, so now if you see view, you can see I have a print preview in here. Right now there is no functionality for this because we haven't created the code for this. We haven't connected our slots to the triggered signal of the menu items. So we will do this. Now for this, for adding the functionality of this, we need to create two methods. So the first one we are going to just create, it is just for getting the text of our text edit, and we need to grab this text edit, because in the print preview we need to grab the text from the text edit. So for example, if we say hello world, if a user click on this, we need to grab this text edit. So for this we need to first create a method. So let me just create a method in here, and I'm going to just I call it print preview, and you can just simply say self.textEdit. So this is the text edit that we have already created in a previous video. So let me show you now. This is the text edit that we have created, and we can say that self.textEdit.print, and also you need to pass printer in here. We need to add printer in this section like this. Now after this we need to create the dialog for the print preview. So when you click on the print preview, we need that a dialog should be appear. So for this we need to create another method. So div print preview and dialog. So now we need to create the object of QPrinter that we have already imported at the top. So we can see QPrinter, and in here you need to add the resolution for the QPrinter. I'm going to use high resolution. So QPrinter.high resolution like this. Okay. After this, now we need to create the object of print preview dialog. So we have, if you at the top, you can see that we have imported this. Now we need to create the object of this. So let me just create, I call it preview dialog and QPrintPreviewDialog, and in here we need to it needs to add the first one is we need to add our printer in here, and the second one is the parent that we need to add. I'm going to just say self like this. Okay, and after this we need to connect our we need to connect this print preview method. So we have created this. Now we need to connect this in our preview dialog. So you can just simply say preview dialog dot paint requested. So paint paint requested and dot connect, and we need to say self dot print preview like this. And after adding this, we need to execute this preview dialog. So we have created this like showing of the window. If you see, we need to preview this. So execute this. So you can simply say preview dialog dot execute. And the last step that we need to connect this in the triggered signal of the menu item. So if you see at the top, we have created this in here. Okay, now we need to connect this. Now for connecting in here, you can see that in here I have connected the exit action in here. For this also you can simply say preview action dot triggered. So this triggered is a signal for the menu items in Pyside2. So dot connect, and we are going to just call our self dot this print preview dialog. So let me just copy this and paste this in here like this. So now let me just run this. Hopefully we don't get any error. If there was any error, we will solve that. Okay, so now if I write something, for example, let me just write please subscribe my channel and like the video, and if I click on view print preview, now you can see it's working and we are receiving a print preview dialog. And if you can see, this is the text. Let me zoom it. You can see that this is the zoom of please subscribe my channel and like the video. So Like this, you can create a print preview dialog in Pyside2. And if you have any question, please let me know. I will add the source code to the video description. You can just grab the source code from my blog. And please like the video and also subscribe my channel.